Bonjour les garçons, so we are back for the second part of our self-study video on les relatifs. We are still talking about pronoun relatif, so for words that we use to replace objects, subjects, and they are still simple. We will see the complex ones later. They are called composés in French, but complex ones in English. So, last time we spoke about qui to replace subjects, que to replace objects, and où to replace time objects and place objects. The last one is dont, and dont is a real bad boy because dont is very hard to use for some students. However, it doesn't mean that you should not use it, okay? It does not mean that. It simply means that you should actually take up the challenge and try to use it properly. How does it work? There is only one thing you should know about dont. Dont is going to be used when the object uses a verb constructed with de. Pour les verbes avec de. I'm not saying that dont replaces the verbs with de, but dont will replace the object for any verbs that requires de in its construction. Example, verbs such as parler de, verbs such as avoir besoin de, to need, avoir besoin de. When I use this, I am going to use dont. Je parle. Je parle de garçons américains. Right? Your first reflex would be to say le garçon que je parle, the boy I'm talking about, right? Le garçon que je parle est américain, right? This would be your first reaction and your first way of interpreting this sentence. However, que here would be wrong because if you look at the sentence, that verb uses a de. And because that verb uses a de, you are supposed to use dont. Le garçon dont je parle est américain. Clear? Unclear? Let's take a look at more examples. Prenons le verbe apprécier. Apprécier meaning to like, appreciate, to enjoy. In French, we have an expression. When you like someone, when you think highly or well of that person, say penser du bien de quelqu'un. Okay, it means exactly the same thing. Apprécier quelqu'un means penser du bien de quelqu'un, right? It means the same thing. If you want to use apprécier, you will say le prof que j'apprécie, right? Le prof que j'apprécie, the teacher that I like the most. Le prof que j'apprécie le plus est Monsieur P. Okay, so here no surprise about this. Easy. Now, penser du bien de quelqu'un. Le prof, right? Je pense du bien. Because again, I am using de after penser. I need to use le prof dont je pense du bien et bien sûr Monsieur P. This is how we use dont. Finally, I would like to discuss with you ce qui, ce que, and ce dont. So what are these? Ce qui, ce que, and ce dont. Pronom relatif simple. They simply mean what in English. Let me show you an example. What I like with this guy, what I like about him, what I like about him. In French would be ce que j'aime avec lui. So you can think of ce qui, ce que, ce dont as what or the thing that. The thing that. Let's take a look at another one. I have no idea what's going on, right? I have no idea what's going on. In French, je ne sais pas. Je ne sais pas ce qui se passe. I have no idea what's going on. Again, see, you are supposed to apply the same things we did earlier. So what is going on? La chose se passe. Something is going on, right? Une chose se passe. And this is an object, right? So you are supposed to use qui, obviously. And I don't know what's going on. Je ne sais pas ce qui se passe. I don't know what he wants. I don't know what you want. Je ne sais pas ce que tu veux. Right? Because in this case, I want something. I want a thing. And this time we have an object. So we are supposed to use de. Do you get it? I'm trying to give you one with ce dont. Je ne sais pas. Oops, sorry. Je ne sais pas ce dont il est capable. See? I don't know what he's capable of. And as you can hear it in English, capable of. So in French, you would say, il est capable de blah, 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 right? So because we have the de here, we are supposed to use ce dont. So I repeat, je ne sais pas ce qui se passe. I don't know what's happening. Je ne sais pas ce que tu veux. I don't know what you want. Je ne sais pas ce dont il est capable. I don't know what he's capable of. You see, in this case, they all mean what, but they mean the thing that, what. On page 142, they also talk about something that they call la mise en relief. So I will not explain this. However, if you don't understand what they talk about on the worksheet, please come and ask me in class, or come and ask me. You can request a video. I will explain for you. But this is not so important. All right, guys. So now that you have explained this, you can please do the whole page. Page 143. Feel free to do the whole page, all exercise. If there is something you don't understand, again, please come find me, come see me, or you can leave me a note, a post on Edmodo. No problem. Okay, guys? Good luck.